my friends, to another rousing rendition of Choir Boys Cutlery. Hey, 22 veterans a day in this country take their own lives. Vets, I love you. You have a place here. We'll put a link in the description to some folks that can help. If you are struggling, if you are hurting, if you are suffering, don't fight this fight alone. We're here to help you, and we're going to do the best we can with that. We back to blue over here. We support Leo. How do you do that, Scab? Well, we don't break the damn law. And finally, if you are an addict, never quit quitting. Well, I'm riding to work today. I've been on a pretty good roll of doing some knife reviews and outside, and not as many riding with Scabs and that kind of thing. And then today I overslept, so we're doing a riding with Scab. I got a package as I was walking out the house to come to work from James G Outdoors. Now, I know what it is, and I am incredibly excited about it. And James, thank you. And that leads me into a couple things. One is, well, we'll get to that in a minute. One is a quick what's in your pocket, because we are a knife channel, and some assholes say, I don't want to hear you talk, I want to see a knife. Yeah, go to one of your never mind. I'm carrying my two-son flipper from Gene Johnson. Micarta handles, it's that rough canvas micarta that I like, and D2 steel. I've got that on me. My truck knife, which I'm using to hold my Doritos closed, is my Recon 1 XL Tonto from Jacob Lamb, fully serrated. This is my designated truck knife. I love this knife. Now, I also have my truck Warhammer and my truck Chinese war sword. I keep those in here. Really, true, as much as I get pulled over, it's a wonder I'm not in prison for all the weapons I have. But I keep a lot of shit in the truck. But this CTS XHP. My two-son flipper is D2. I believe I have on me, well, I know I have on me my 4MAX, made in Italy 4MAX 3PM. Is it 3PM? 20, it's CPM 20. The hell is it? CPM 20 CV. I just had an absolute blank. Now, my guy DJ Horn repaired this for me, fixed it up for me, and got it going. Now, it's Saturday about 12:30, and you'd think that I'd have a clear run to work. I do not. I'm working on not hollering at people. And all I ask is you go the speed limit. That's it. It's not hard. It's not, but for some reason here in Green Cove Springs, people want to fiddle fart around. I don't get it, but whatever. We're going to move past that. Now, this ain't going to be a long video. It doesn't need to be. Today is Purple Heart Day. So again, to all you veterans out there and those of you who were wounded, and what the Purple Heart is a medal that's given for a wound. Now, I've heard some smartass say, well, you can stub your toe and get a Purple Heart. Yeah, my granddaddy would have loved to have done that instead of getting 3 of them for being shot 3 times. In the side, in the leg, and in the chest. So I'm sure he would enjoy your take on how easy it is to get a Purple Heart. When they buried him, he still had a Nazi bullet in his chest. So to all of you guys who, and I'm with Captain Electro. Captain Electro's been pushing this, and Cap is a leader in this community that you don't hear about a lot. Cap is a good dude, and I watched his video a while ago, and I'm sure that, when you say awarded or earned, those aren't things that somebody who's been issued a Purple Heart wants to hear. Like Cap said, it's not like you won a race, you were injured and you were hurt. But to you guys who have received Purple Hearts, thank you. Thank you from this channel and on behalf of even those who are too stupid to realize the service that you've served and the debt you paid. Thank you. Having said that, I want to say thank you to everybody who makes this channel go. Timbo437, JR, all of you guys, Isaac the Noob, all of you guys, Jacob Lamb, John Peters, all of you guys, Brett Sumners, the guys who have stepped in and sent knives, James G Outdoors, look up James G, that's my shout out for today. Love that dude. Timbo437's another shout out. All of you guys who have sent knives, who have sent encouraging words, who've done all that, thank you. JR has another package coming Monday, and I'm blown away. He's letting me use some, he's going to let me borrow a couple of Work Tough knives. I believe James G sent a Work Tough knife. I'm stoked. Because of you guys, we are growing. And I just want to have a quick video to say thank you. I appreciate you. I love you. God knows I do. I really, really do. Without y'all, we wouldn't be where we're at. Now, we're at that point in the video, and I'm about to wrap it up because I'm going over to Shands Bridge. Y'all see the river. This is my favorite part of the ride every day. The bridge sucks. It really does, especially when you got an asshole going 5 miles an hour in front of you. They get on the bridge and get, oh my God, oh. So you want to go slow over a bridge. You're scared it's going to collapse, but let's go slow over it. That way we make sure we fall in the damn river. Go! I mean, we're going 10 miles under the speed limit. Help me, Lord. Anyway, moving on. I'm at 1,933 subscribers. 1933. I'm trying to get to 2,000. The ultimate goal this year for next June is 5,000. So please, if it's your first video with us, one, check out the video from yesterday, check out the video from Thursday, the one from Wednesday. We've had 3 or 4 out in the woods cut, and check those out. I think you'll like those. Again, trying to get to 5,000. Please hit like to every one of you guys, Grugs, all you guys, Kongs and Bases, Tiny T, all of y'all who share my videos, who share the vision of helping us grow. That's why we grow. Somebody says, Gab, you gotta, you just need to focus on you. I can't just focus on me when everybody's focused on me. We've all got to go together. My partner, Joe, Steel Force and Fire, the Shredder. Those are standing shout outs. They've clipped their mark. Shredder's coming up on 600. We need the Shredder now and Joe now to make hard runs towards 1,000. Eric Hussein, Carl Ruger need to make a run towards 1,000. We need to cap to 600. All of these folks, see, here's the deal. All of these folks are going to be in the comments. So if you're new here, just start clicking people in the comments and subscribing their channels. Do that for me. Say Scab sent me. I'd appreciate it. Now listen, Donnie B all day, my brother from another mother, who I'm out carrying my Medford today. I'm actually sending the Medford up for him to test it and to play with it for a little bit as I'm finally sending his knives. And I can't wait to get his take. We're trying to get Donnie to 10,000. Now guys, this ain't just, we're not asking you to do this just to be nice to us. There's giveaways for all of this. There's going to be all kinds of giveaways. Let's get it up there. We've got just, Donnie's got a giveaway at 10,000. I got a big giveaway at 2,000. People are giving stuff away all the time. Timbo just messaged me, Timbo437, and said, hey man, I'm at 233. I'm having another giveaway at 250. Go to Timbo right now, subscribe. That dude has some badass knives. This will be a shout out video. See, my short videos are 10 minutes. Lord have mercy. All right, I'm wrapping it up. Get over to Donnie B all day, my brother from another mother. Get to all these people. Listen, go back, rewatch the video. Y'all know you want to. And click on all these people. I'll put as many links in the description as I can. But seriously, we all need to grow together. We did a video yesterday, Fatwood Friday, for Brother Bill. Redneck Renegade had put out a video and asked people to do fires for him. Yesterday would have been Brother Bill's birthday. And yesterday, like I mentioned, was Isaac and it was Grug's birthday. But please go check that video out. Share it, like it. To all my Fatwood Friday clan, Ron T, Georgia Fishing and Traffic, all you guys, Miss Allie, all of y'all. Redneck, love you guys. And I know yesterday was a bittersweet day for you. I love y'all. God bless y'all. Last shout out, Mikey from Cerebral Ballsy. My boy Mikey, he's sharpening up Donnie B. All Day's Preacher. I'm excited for that. I've got a video coming out probably Tuesday on a knife he sharpened for me. Go check out Mikey at Cerebral Ballsy. Mikey will change your life. He saved mine. I'm just telling you. Mikey says, Scab, never give up, never surrender, and everything will be okay. That's a guy who'd know. I'm Scab. You're not. And I'm gone, son.